Discover the importance of shop vac filters. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about a small but mighty hero in your workshop, the shop vac filter. A clean filter means cleaner air, which is essential for your health. Plus, it maximizes the shop vac's performance, ensuring it's working at its best. So, what happens if you neglect your filter? Well, dirt and debris can clog it up, reducing suction power and potentially damaging your precious shop vac. Regularly cleaning or replacing the filter keeps your shop vac running smoothly, so you can tackle any mess or project with ease. Different filters cater to various tasks, like standard filters for general cleaning or foam filters for liquids. Just make sure you're using the right one. Did you know that some filters capture even the tiniest particles, like pollen or pet dander? Great news for those with allergies or furry friends. Breathe easy. Shop vac filters are washable or disposable, making maintenance a breeze. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning or replacing to prolong their effectiveness. Remember to check your filter regularly. A quick inspection can save you from the frustration of a clogged filter mid-project. Nobody wants that. A well-maintained filter not only extends the life of your shop vac but also prevents larger debris from getting into the motor, potentially causing costly repairs. Now, let's get serious for a moment. A clogged filter can re-release dirt back into your workspace. Nobody wants their clean areas getting dirty again, right? Plus, with a reliable filter in place, cleaning up after a productive day is a breeze. No more worries about missing dirt or a cloud of dust. Wait, there's more. Some filters act as both a dry and wet filter, giving you versatility. Just switch it up depending on the type of mess you're tackling. Whether it's a simple home improvement project, car detailing, or a professional construction site, having a top-notch shop vac filter ensures efficient and clean results. Remember, guys, a clogged filter means your shop vac motor works harder and wears out sooner. So, treat your shop vac right and say goodbye to dust bunnies. Keep that filter clean and in tip-top condition. Don't let your shop vac lose its mojo. Maintain the filter, and it'll serve you faithfully for years to come. Now go out there and conquer your next project, armed with a clean, powerful shop vac and a smile on your face. Thanks for joining us. Get some new shop vac filters today, and breathe easier knowing your shop vac will have a long, productive life.